Hi, my beautiful people all across the globe. Today I have a Target unboxing for you guys. I have a box of small handbags that I get from Target, and the price was insane. And these purses are just absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna start with this jean purse. It's a beautiful purse. It's a crossbody, so it's perfect for your cell phone, your keys, your wallet, any other thing that's small that you want to carry in it. And it has two little mini pockets. I think you can use these for if you have headphones or change. So it's just perfect for that. So just a very beautiful jean purse, as you can see. And like I say, it's a crossbody. You can either wear, actually, it could be a crossbody, or you can wear it like this. Very beautiful. And it's color blocked, so you have the different jean material: dark, medium jean, light jean material. It's very beautiful. This purse was only $18 at Target. And also in the inside, you have a change pocket or a money pocket in the inside. That's a very beautiful mini purse that can hold a lot of items. $18 at Target. Beautiful. We'll set that right there. The second purse that I found at Target is, look at this. This is absolutely stunning. This is also, it can be used as a crossbody or just a handheld purse to the side. Also can be used for your cell phone, keys, change. The inside I'm taking a look at for the first time right now. So let's see what's in the inside. Let me take the paper out. More paper. So this purse also has a mini zipper pocket that you can keep your change in. And this purse looks like a luxury purse. So it looks like a very high-end purse. It's carried like a high-end purse. At Target, this purse was only $25. Very beautiful. You can wipe it clean. Very beautiful. This comes in multiple colors. So I actually got the green one. Spring is coming, so I got a beautiful white one in this color. These can be changed out daily. Whatever you have on. Actually, this looks absolutely beautiful with what I got on, black and white. Very beautiful. Just carry it. Beautiful. So I got a white one. And then I got one more. I got a black one. The black one is very beautiful. It's actually textured. I don't know if you can see, but I'm going to do a close-up. The black one is textured. Just a very beautiful, like, brick layered texture to this one. So, actually, it can go with almost anything. These purses look very high-end, very beautiful, but they're only $25 at Target. If you get a chance, cop you some. Cop you one, maybe cop a couple while they're still in stock, because I believe when they're gone, they're gone. So, just absolutely stunning. Perfect for date night, a night out with the girls. Just absolutely perfect. If you don't want to carry too much stuff, too many things, but you need something to carry, like your cell phone, your keys, mace, if you carry mace, just different little small items, your lipstick, your makeup for the night, your lip gloss for the night. This is so perfect. So perfect. So, and I have a bonus purse, a mini purse that I found at, I don't know if you guys have a DD's, but I found this at DD's. This is very pretty. It's a coated canvas purse, and it zips to open. It's a mini purse, and mini purses are in right now. So these purses are just so perfect because they're in style right now. You can carry just small items that you really need for like a date night, girls' night out, just a day on the town that you just don't want to carry a big bag. These are so perfect, and they're interchangeable. You can change them daily. This is a coated canvas purse that I found at DD's. If you have a DD's in your town, look for this. And then I bought this strap off of Amazon just to give it a more textured look. This is a very beautiful purse. So, if you get a chance, we know everybody is living on a budget. We're budget friendly right now. Or even if you're not, but you just want something really beautiful, really cute, really interchangeable, try these from Target. Just absolutely stunning purses. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, tell your friends and family to join my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.